Welcome back to the lecture series on repertories. Today we are going to see the topic Special Features of Therapeutic Pocketbook. This repertory is an ultimate work and precious gift given by Boenninghausen to homeopathy. This repertory is based on the principle of location, sensation, modalities and concomitants. And by applying the doctrine of grand generalization or analogy, symptom can be completed. This repertory has got 5 gradations, which is an unique contribution of Boenninghausen. This repertory has given more importance to concomitant symptoms than Kant's repertory. Even sides of the body given more importance and are mentioned in location chapter. Modalities are given under the separate chapter. So you will find modalities under separate chapter. The information included in therapeutic pocketbook is derived from Hahnemann's work and other stalwarts' work at that time. So source of information is authentic and has been clinically verified by Boenninghausen in his own practice. The sensation and modality chapter contains useful rubrics. So sensation and modality chapter contains very important rubrics. This repertory is useful in working out cases which are full of particulars and which contains few mentals and physical generals. Extremities are divided into upper and lower, which is useful for finding out the rubrics easily. This repertory contains additional chapter, relationship of remedies at the end, which is an unique chapter and helpful for second prescription. This repertory is very compact and useful for the bedside prescribing. Now let's see the special features in detail. Special features of Boenninghausen Therapeutic Pocketbook. This is the cover page of the repertory. Now we will see the first special feature. This repertory is based upon the concept of complete symptom. Complete symptom means symptoms including location, sensation, modalities and concomitants. Number 2. It follows more or less an anatomical schema which is helpful for finding the rubrics. Third one. By applying the doctrine of analogy or doctrine of grand generalization, symptom can be completed even though there is lack of any one of the 4 parts of the symptom. Fourth one, 5 gradations of medicines are one of the unique contribution of Boenninghausen. Now we will see the 5th point. This repertory has given more importance to concomitant symptoms than the Kant's repertory. 6th one. The sides of the body are given importance. They are mentioned in location chapter. 7th one. Therapeutic pocketbook is the ultimate work and precious gift to the homeopathic world by Boenninghausen. As obvious from its original name, it is useful at the bedside and in the study of homeopathic materia medica. Eighth one. The repertory is based on the principle of complete symptoms and concomitants. The plan and construction of the repertory follows the same principles, and the whole book can be divided into location, sensation, and modalities. This makes it easy for the practitioner to find out the rubric. Now we will see the ninth point. Modalities are given under separate section. Ameliorations are also given more importance than Kent's repertory. 10th one. It contains an additional chapter, Relationship of Remedies, towards the end. The chapter is unique and it helps to find all related remedies of a case. So useful for finding out the second prescription or for further follow-ups in acute as well as chronic cases. So relationship of remedies chapter is useful for second prescription. 11th point. The information is included in therapeutic pocketbook are derived mainly from Hahnemann's work as well as from all contemporary stalwarts. The information and the sources of information are most authentic and they have been verified by Boenninghausen in clinical practice. This makes the repertory very authentic as well as very useful. Now we have seen the 11th point. Now we will see the 12th point. The sensation and modality chapter contains several useful rubrics and which can be related to various parts as well as to whole person. This unique arrangement is found in therapeutic pocket book. 13th point. This repertory is useful in working out cases which are full of particulars and which contain few mental generals and physical generals. Cases manifested by pathological changes and objective symptoms can better dealt by Boenninghausen therapeutic pocketbook. Now we will see the 14th point. The repertory has 5 different typography to denote the various grades of remedies, communicating the wide range of intensity of symptoms. Now we will see the 15th point. The repertory contains mental rubrics at 2 places, mind and modality, aggravation and amelioration. Both the chapters can be referred for searching different mental symptoms. 16th point. Though not all, but some chapters contain details of concomitants separately given towards at the end of the chapters. This has given the beginning of an era of recognizing the concomitants in the work of repertories and in practice. 17th point. Rubrics are given in simple language. 18th point. The adaptability of this repertory makes it very special for practitioners. Now we will see the 19th point. Being one of the initial repertory, it contains a relatively systematic arrangement and detailed information on various location, sensations, modalities, and relationship of remedies. This unique work became the progenitor of all future and more useful repertories. 20th point. The success of Boenninghausen's therapeutic pocketbook holds its basis on the arrangement whereby journals can be quickly made use of to furnish modalities and individual symptoms, whether general or particular. 21st point. The extremities are divided into upper and lower, which is helpful for finding the rubric easily. The last one. This repertory is useful for bedside prescribing. Thank you for listening the lecture on special features of Boenninghausen Therapeutic Pocketbook. Do continue watching the further videos on repertory. Thank you and see you soon with a new video.